Hey, I'm going to present Chapter 18 of Robinson Crusoe, The Ship Recovered. There was a ship coming by from the island, and they started to shoot at them. The ship sent a little boat to see what was there in the island, and the boat didn't come back to the ship, so they sent the second boat. The captain was worried about the second group, and Robinson assured the captain that it will be safe. Robinson to the others will go with the captain to attack the second boat. Well, the captain was worried because he didn't know who was loyal to him. But when he knew who was loyal, he take them to take the ship. Robinson and Friday stay in the island to observe the prisoners, the ones from the little boat and the ones that were not loyal. The captain returns from the ship with a lot of things for Robinson. Finally, Robinson was free from the island, and the prisoners stayed there to make the island a civilization. Thank you.